The only poison I've had is IV. The only man I fear is God. No snakes can make me run now, 'cause I've been bit by a moth. No bug can stare me down, no neighbor can shut me up. I'm off the grid and I'm off my rocker. I'm off in the holler sun. We them holler boys. Holler if you needed something done. Holler if you need a chip on the shoulder and a hand with a loaded gun. We'll be out that screen door, no shirt on, leaving two black marks down a one-way road. Yeah, we them holler. The only fight I've ever been in was taking up for somebody else. The only time I got my jaw jacked is never, but damn sure not quite yet. The times I miss the most are the times nobody knows. When it was me, my cousin, and a couple of my buddies racing down old Sam's Creek Road. We them holler boys. Holler if you needed something done. Holler if you need a chip on the shoulder and a hand with a loaded gun. We'll be out that screen door, no shirt on, leaving two black marks down a one-way road. Yeah, we them holler boys. Holler boy, native to the holler soul, washed in the spring of a farmer's joy. We them holler boys. Holler if you're needing something done. Holler if you need a chip on a shoulder or a hand with a loaded gun. We them holler boys. Holler if you needed something done. Holler if you need a chip on the shoulder and a hand with a loaded gun. We'll be out that screen door, no shirt on, leaving two black marks down a one-way road. Yeah, we them holler boys.
Even when the storms come, even when it looks like I'm done and I can't go another day, I know you already made a way. You promised to go before me, and nothing, not even death, can hold me. The price is already paid. Thank you, Jesus, you made a way. Even when I'm feeling like my hope's gone, even when what I'm seeing seems to confirm that my trust is in you, Lord, I hold on. You're faithful, you'll never leave me, I've learned that. I stand amazed and brag about what your love has done. The times you made a way out when there wasn't one. You took me through deep water on dry ground just so I could turn around and see you drown what I was running from. For a minute, my future was looking grim, but you did it cause you knew that my enemies couldn't swim, defending me to the end. You've already went before me and fought the battles you knew that I couldn't win. A price I could never pay, but you paid that. So I hopped up out the grave, I was laid back. All my sin and all my shame, you forgave that. Now I know I have a way, cause you came and you made that. Even when the storms come, even when it looks like I'm done and I can't go another day, I know you already made a way. You promised to go before me, and nothing, not even death, can hold me. The price is already paid.
Hey.
Thank you, Jesus, you made a way.
KMF, check it out, y'all. They say the greater your storm is, the brighter your rainbow. Instead of complaining, I choose to show you I'm thankful. They say a broken heart is just like having broken ribs. Nobody see, but it hurt to breathe when you breathing in. I say it once, but I guess you really didn't listen though. Hey, life is shorter than a midget man that's on tippy toes. Hey, red roses and pistols is what I left behind. Hey, open Bibles with scripture is what I feed my mind. Beaten and bruised till they left the body bloody. He made a way so I know that somebody love me. See everything I need, Lord, it flows out our relationship. Psalm 51, man, I say the same prayer David did. Created me a clean heart. See, I was ugly, bro, I used to have a mean heart. Yeah, but now I'm sealed with the spirit. Hey, filled with the spirit, a reflection of my king. Yeah.
Even when the storms come, even when it looks like I'm done and I can't go another day, I know you already made a way. You promised to go before me, and nothing, not even death, can hold me. The price is already paid. Thank you, Jesus, you made a way. Jesus, you made a way. Lord, you're always with me, never far away. You come and get me when I start to stray. Even when it's dark and it gets hard to pray, you shine bright, you made a way cause you are the way. The truth and the life, the only one I'm needing. You're bigger than any storm, with you I know I beat it. So I fall and hit my knees when I can't stand. You're making ways in the wilderness, rivers in the wasteland. You encourage me when I'm scared and I'm hiding. Remind me of all the times you were there and provided. Delivered me from the bear and the lion, but you had me go through it cause you knew I had to prepare for Goliath. Whatever I'm facing, I know it's part of your plan. By your grace I'ma make it, I know it's all in your hands. I press on in your name, going hard as I can. And when I can't, I know the one to call it who can. The one who promises to see me through, whether it's moving mountains or splitting the sea in two. The one who bled and died to prove his love for me is true. If I lose my way, look into you is all I need to do. Even when the storms come, even when it looks like I'm done and I can't go another day, I know you already made a way. Promised to go before me, and nothing, not even death, can hold me. The price is already paid. Thank you, Jesus, you made a way. Even when the storms come, yeah. Even when it looks like I'm done and I can't go another day, even then, Lord, I know you already made a way. I know you did it. I'ma lift my hands and praise you. You promised to go before me, trust in you. Nothing, not even death, can hold me. The price is already paid. You made it all for me. Thank you, Jesus, you made a way.
Sipping on that sweet tea. Granddaddy's mouse bird bringing home that clean meat. Sneaking through the woods straight covered up in real tree. Bug knife swinging on my belt like a wind chime. Strolling down a dirt trail, rolling up a good times. Glock 40 tackle box and a trot line. Cooler full of wiser and a jar full of moonshine. Plugging on the 6-string, chilling on the tailgate. Parked around the bonfire, sipping on a cold drink. Leather work boots stomping through this red clay. Johnny Cash barking while I'm loading up my 12 gauge. Way down in the cut where we bounce around on them mud grips. Raised up on the river, we slicker than wet catfish. Never seen us coming, but bet that they gonna see this. Trailer made till I'm in my grave, we on this Tennessee shit.
They never saw us coming, now they gon' see this. We worked hard for it, you can't believe it. Yeah, we sip, shine, and keep it weed lit. We on that Tennessee shit. They never saw us coming, now they gon' see this. We worked hard for it, you can't believe it. Yeah, we sip, shine, and keep it weed lit. We on that Tennessee shit.
Yeah, I worked all week, I just wanna have fun, so I call up the crew and get her done. We don't back down, no sir, we don't run. You can kiss our ass if you want our guns. A fine Southern Belle on my passenger side, and a couple of cases of brewskis on ice. Yeah, to wash down all the liquor and the shine. I tell you it's going down tonight. Man, I swear we smoking like Willie. Here we be drinking like Waylon until we get buck 50. Chilling right outside the city, me, Connor and Diddy. Off in the holler with Austin, we big bossin' with Grizzly. Come on, we all trailer-made. I'm a Nashvilleian, Southern by God's grace. Now that's living. They never saw us coming, now they gon' see this. You best believe this, we on that Tennessee shit.
They never saw us coming, now they gon' see this. We worked hard for it, you can't believe it. Yeah, we sip, shine, and keep it weed lit. We on that Tennessee shit. They never saw us coming, now they gon' see this. We worked hard for it, you can't believe it. Yeah, we sip, shine, and keep it weed lit.